All right, hi, we're back again. This time we're going to do what's called the world's greatest stretch. I'm going to have Chris here demonstrate. He's going to go down into a plank position to start off. From here, he's going to take one leg. We'll start with the right, step it out just like a spider lunge. Then, since his right leg is forward, he's going to take his right elbow and try to reach that elbow down towards the ground as far as he can. Then take his right hand up, palm up, turning his gaze towards his hand, reaching up towards the sky, opening up that thoracic spine. Then he's going to bring that hand back down, plant it firmly, and switch sides. So you want to alternate with this move. So now left foot is up. He's going to take his left elbow, try to reach it down towards the ground, and then turn his hand up, turning his gaze towards the sky, up and back. And then let's do one more on the other side. If you need to regress this, he can go ahead and put his knee down, back knee down on the ground. Same thing, elbow reaching down as far as he can, and then turning his palm up towards the ceiling, gazing at the sky. And let's do one more on the other side with the same modification. Knee down, yep, stepping his left out, left foot out as far as he can, left elbow down, and then turn and twist. So everyone is going to be at different mobility levels, whether you can reach your elbow down towards the ground or not. So I'm just going to show you another way that we do it. So again, into a plank position. I'm gonna step my left down, elbow. I can touch my elbow down to the ground. If you're not there, that's fine. If you're up here, just go as far as you can. Then turn and twist, gazing towards the sky. And that is the world's greatest stretch.